I'm the club repair technician for the LPGA. I take care of the maintenance of all the clubs and coordinate the manufacturer's work out of here. Well, when I originally came out here, we had to go by eyes. We didn't know exactly what spin rates were or what the apex of the shot was or things like that, but we could tell by watching it. Slowly but surely, materials like the launch monitors started making their ways out here, and we're almost dependent on the numbers that we see anymore just to be able to keep track of things from one week to the next. This is our first year for having on-course data. We've been doing it on the range now for quite a few years. Everybody knows what you've got on the range is not always what you take to the course. Because of the excitement of the game and the adrenaline, numbers can very often be skewed from what we see originally to what happens out on the course. The NEC analytical data that I'm getting now just goes in with the stuff that I've had before, and now it's able to mesh a little easier and be able to fine-tune everything to help them out with picking up what shaft would be best for them, what head, what loft, what spin rates we need to get to. Every little bit of information helps when we're trying to fine-tune a professional golfer in this case. With the other club builders, I think that they would be just excited as I am about it, just for the fact that now they're able to pinpoint things. So any of this NEC data that we're getting is going to be gold for anybody that's out here. When you have this kind of data, it's invaluable to us. So what NEC is doing out here for us this year is just phenomenal.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.